Alright friends, welcome back. We are now into JavaScript math and we are working on the math object. Now the math object allows you to perform mathematical tasks on number. Okay, you have to create a math object in order to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. The math object allows you to perform mathematical tasks, and the math object includes several mathematical methods. Okay, it has several math methods which we're going to discuss in these videos. All right, so let's begin with the first example of our program here. All right, let's begin programming. All right, begin typing doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag, open up the body tag, open up the P Math.Random returns a random number between 0 and 1. Okay, and open up the button tag and say button on click is equal to my function. Okay, and close the inverted commas and say try it. The same old buttons that we've been creating so far in the previous videos. Okay, paragraph ID is equal to demo. Close the paragraph tag. Script function my function. Open up the curly bracket and say document dot get element capital element by ID demo dot inner HTML is equal to Math.Random. Okay, close the curly bracket, close the script tag, close the body tag, and close the HTML tag, and save the file as, save it as JavaScript save it as JavaScript Math1. Alright, this is the first example. Save, and also save the file as .html. Save, and let's find the file JavaScript Math1. Okay, this Math.Random returns a random number between 0 and 1, and it is, let me tell you, a very important function in math, because you know all the probability and dice rolls and coin flips, all of these mathematical form questions are determined by using this random method. Okay, so it just generated a method for you. Each time you refresh the page and try it, it's going to generate a different method number. Okay, there you go. This is why it's called random. Just keep refreshing the page and try it. It's going to keep generating a completely random number, different from the first time. All right, let's look at some of the upcoming other examples. All right, the next example that I have here is called Math.min and Math.Max methods. Okay, and these methods can be used to find the lowest or the highest value in a list of arguments. You know, it's a very self-explanatory method. So let's look at the Math.min. Okay, document doctype HTML. Open up the HTML tag, open up the body tag, and open up the paragraph tag and say Math.min returns the lowest value. Okay, and button on click is equal to my function. Okay, and say try it. Open up the paragraph tag and say ID is equal to demo. Close the paragraph tag. Open up the script tag and say function, my function. Open up the curly bracket and say document dot get element by ID demo dot inner HTML is equal to, hit enter, Math.min, and pass it the following arguments: 0, 150, 30, 20, -8, -200. Okay, close the curly bracket because the function is over. Close the script, close the body tag, and close the HTML tag, and save the file as JavaScript math2. Okay, and also save the file as HTML file .html. Save, and yeah, Math.min returns the lowest value. Try it. So -200 is indeed the lowest value, because look at these values that you gave it. Okay, 0, 150, 30, 20, and -8. All right, so let me clean this screen here and let's work on the Math.Max. All right, begin typing for Math.Max. Okay, we'll give it a bunch of arguments and then we'll have it evaluate and yield math at the highest and the max number. Okay, something you can do in Excel easily. Okay, HTML tag, open up the body tag, open up the paragraph tag and say Math.Max returns the highest value. Okay, and then open up the button tag and say button on click is equal to my function, and then say try it. Close the button tag, and write paragraph ID is equal to demo. Okay, close the paragraph and open up the script tag and say okay, function, my function. You'll do the same thing again, and document dot get element by ID demo dot inner HTML is equal to Math.Max. Okay, 0, 150, 30, 20, minus 8, same as before, and minus 200. So you know what the max number is right here, right in this list. You can easily figure out. Let's see if JavaScript is able to figure this out. We'll close the script tag, close the body tag, close the HTML tag. Alright, and save the file as. Alright, let's try to find it. JavaScript math2. There you go. Math.min returns the lowest value, minus 200. And if you, I was trying to say, if you enter, for example, another number here, minus 400, and here you enter minus 600, okay, and save and refresh, it's going to enter, returns the max value. No, I need the min value. Try it. Okay, what did I do here? File, save as, sorry, yes, math, JavaScript, math script, yes, save it. And the max value, for example, if you change the max value to 200 and you change the max value to this max value to 600, file, save and refresh, it's going to return 600. So you can manipulate both the min and the max values by changing the arguments, and you will get different results. Alright, this is another example for Math.Random that I want you to try. And here, this is what it looks like. Doc type, HTML tag, open up the body tag, open up the paragraph tag and say Math.Random returns a random number between 0 and 1. We've done that before, but I'm going to pass a different set of arguments here, don't worry. Okay, open up the button tag, just like I was trying to do with the Math.Max and Math.min. On click is equal to my function. Try it. Okay, close the button tag and open up the paragraph tag and say ID is equal to demo, and close the paragraph tag and say script function my function, okay, document dot get element by ID demo dot inner HTML is equal to Math.Random. Close the curly bracket and open up the script tag, open up the body tag and open up the HTML, yes, close the body and HTML tags and save the file as, I'm going to save it as Math3. Alright, and also save it as an HTML file. .html, save, and let's find the file Math3. Math.Random returns a random number between 0 and 1 also. Okay, so what you have to remember is that Math.Random will return a number that is lower than 1. When it has to return a number between 1 and 0, it will return a number lower than 1. Okay, there is another example that I want to share with you, and it's called Math.Round. Okay, let's begin typing. doc type HTML, open up the HTML tag, the body tag, and then say, open up the paragraph tag and say Math.Round rounds a number to its nearest integer. Okay, button on click is equal to my function and then you say try it and close the button tag. Open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo. Okay, close the paragraph tag and then say, open up the script tag and say script function, my function, open up the curly brackets, document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to math dot round 4.4. okay, and you're supposed to round that. JavaScript is supposed to round that number 4.4. Close the script tag, close the body tag, and close the HTML tag. Great. Let's save this file as JavaScript Math.4. Yes, that would do. And also as HTML. .html. Save. And let's find the file. Math.Round rounds a number to its nearest integer 4. And what I was trying to do here is, what if you made it 4.6? File, save, 5. Did you see that? What if it was 4.5? Save, refresh, try it, 5. Okay, and you could try many more examples like these. Okay, file, save, refresh, try it, 12. Okay, let's look at the next example, the last example for this video. Alright, the next example that I want to show you is, I'm going to keep this entire things, on the screen, but we're going to talk about Math.cell, and the other one was Math.down. Okay, Math.cell and Math.Floor. Math.cell rounds a number, rounds up a number. Okay, seal as in ceiling. Okay, so if you add any number, for example 4.4, what should it say? Just save the file and you have to do Math.cell. Just change this. Okay, that's sufficient. Just save and refresh. Math.cell rounds up a number to its nearest integer. Try it, 5. Okay, now Math.Floor would round down the number no matter what. It will round down the number. Okay, so let's try it. File, save and refresh. Try it, 4. You can try a couple of examples with Math.Floor. For example, you could do 4.9. Let's see what happens. Okay, file, save with Math.Floor. 4.9 will still remain 4. Okay, if it was Math.Round, it would be 5. It was Math.Seal, it would be, what do you think it would be? Let's do that. File, save as. Okay, try it. I don't think I saved it. Save. Yes. Okay, now I saved it. So what I did here was I did Math.Seal 4.9. It will give me 5. If I do Math.Seal 5.1, what do you think it would do? File, save, refresh, 6. Okay, it will take it to the next integer. But if we do floor, it will round down. Save. Okay, just trying out different values to make you understand. That's it. Alright, with this I am going to end my video for JavaScript Math lecture 1, and in the next lecture we're going to discuss more methods for the math object, and the fun begins from the next video for math functions and math methods. So stay tuned for more.